Aport Simulation is a sophisticated interactive platform that offers comprehensive 360 degrees and virtual reality features. It enhances the airport's international departure, transit, and arrival process while engaging users with interactive educational games. Click on the link or scan the QR provided to open the Aport simulation. Our platform offers accessibility function to create interactive content usable by individuals with disabilities. The departure, transfer, and arrival hotspots mark the starting points of the process. Clicking a button takes the user to each process. Users follow the numbers and open the buttons in sequence. The next button unlocks after completing the previous process. Upon finishing exploration, you'll be directed to the 360-degree and VR experience. Aport Simulation uses 360 degrees image and video technology to create realistic virtual tours of airport areas. This allows users to explore different sections of an airport. Within these virtual environments, interactive hotspots provide additional information, including text, images, videos, and quizzes, allowing users to learn about specific airport procedures interactively. Here is the content of the Aport simulation for pre-expedition preparation, which involves airport procedures. The international departure procedure includes explaining the process, covering the gathering area, check-in process via kiosk and counter, self-baggage drop, document check, security screening, and proceeding to the boarding gate. The second part of the Aport simulation covers the transfer process at the airport. It demonstrates the procedures for passengers who need to change flights during their journey. The simulation outlines the steps involved, such as navigating from the arrival gate to the transfer area, going through security checks if required, and finding the next departure gate. The final section of the Aport simulation focuses on the arrival process at the airport. This includes the steps passengers follow upon landing, such as proceeding to the arrival hall, observing signboards for directions, undergoing document checks, claiming their baggage, going through customs, and handling any lost and found issues. To engage with the VR content, students will use head movements to navigate and change their view direction, while a white in the center of the screen serves as a pointer. They can interact with hotspots or interface elements by gazing at them for 1.5 seconds, utilizing WebXR technology compatible with both 3DoF and 6DoF VR headsets. The VR experience in the Tourism Expedition class provides an immersive, interactive learning environment, allowing students to explore complex concepts in a realistic setting.